Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Alright, today I'm going to be giving this thrifted frame a makeover. That is a print from a graphics fairy online. The little resin tag is from a mold I had bought on Amazon a long time ago. That is a canvas board. And this little frame did not have the glass in it, and that's okay. That's one reason I'm using the canvas panel board. Okay, here I'm just going to be taking Mod Podge in the matte finish, and I'm going to decoupage my little picture onto that canvas board. Okay, now I'm going to set that aside to dry. While I work on the little resin tag, I want to fit at the bottom of the picture when it's done, and that is a little graphic I got from a package of Tim Holtz. It came with a whole bunch of little snippets in there, so I just looked for something I thought would look like a pretty tag to go to the bottom of the picture. And I'm just going to trim it up to fit inside the little resin spot, and then I will decoupage. All right, once I had the little label fit, went over it with one coat of the DIY in Little Black Dress. because I'm going to go over it with the golden ticket, and a black underneath will make that gold really pop. Okay, while that's drying and I have my black paint out, I'm going to go ahead and give my frame a coat of Little Black Dress. Okay, once I had the frame dry, now I'm going to start working on adding the golden ticket. I will apply the golden ticket to both the little label, and then I will dry brush on the frame. Okay, now that the gold is good and dry, I'm going to decoupage my little label onto the resin tag. Okay, now I'm going to cover the whole thing and seal it up with a coat of Mod Podge. Okay, once I have that sealed with Mod Podge, I'm going to set it aside and let it dry. Next, I'm going to be taking a little piece of sandpaper and I'm going to sand around the edge of my canvas board because I want to remove that little white trim around the edge. Next, I'm taking my, that's the Tim Holtz, the little stain. I believe it's the color Vintage Photo. And I'm just going around the edge and giving it a little antique look. And it just kind of finishes off the trim. Next, I'm going to be taking my polyacrylic Minwax. It's a water-based protective finish. And I'm going to give the frame a good coat of that and let it dry. All right, once my frame is dry, I'm going to take the little tag and attach it to the bottom of the frame. And for this, I'm just going to be using hot glue. Okay, once I have the little tag at the bottom glued in place, now I'm going to put everything together. Okay, I fit the cardboard in there and I go to close it. And sometimes those little metal hooks get bent upwards a little bit. And so all I did was take the backing out and press down gently on those little hooks, so now it fits a little bit tighter. Then next I take my packing tape and I just run it across the back of that felt. It helps remove a lot of the little particles, the little dust. It cleans it up a lot. All right, once I have that cleaned up, our project is finished. And I love the way it turned out. I love the old world charm, the roses. I think it turned out beautiful. Let me know in the comments what you think about this project. I want to thank everyone for being here. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe and help my channel grow. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much.
There's only one way in and one way out. Seems like it's always cloudy in this town. I'll find sunshine.